Welcome back to another episode of working on this beat up old Honda in cold, rainy weather. I forgot to record when I was straightening out the core support, bending it out and beating it out, but I did videotape a little bit of welding and grinding that I had to finish up now that the motor was out of the way and I could really get to it. Quite a bit better. I forgot to show you how badly it was off too, but here you go.
Turn myself into a pickle, Morty! Boom! Big reveal. I'm a pickle. What do you think about that? I turned myself into a pickle. I'm pickle.
So after straightening out the core support, which none of this is bolted in, it's just kind of set in there. Bumper got to go up and stuff. But see, everything lines up a lot better now that I've finished banging out the core support and doing a little bit of welding. But so I think I'm done messing with that. Now I'm probably going to start pulling stuff out of the engine bay to start prepping it, getting it ready so I can sand it up, maybe paint it, and probably do a wire tuck or semi-tuck. Alright guys, so this is what I'm doing. I took the mounts off, left the bolts in there. Pulling this out. This wiring here is going to go back in. I'll probably run it up here under the fender to run all this wiring up out of the engine bay. I might even do the fuse box and the glove box, which is what I did on one of my white Civics. Took off this mount. Same with this wiring. This wiring's going to go through the fenders. Unplug it right there, that blue plug, and probably run all that through that fender so it can come up under and then up under there. As you guys can see, it's already dark, so but I'm going to take everything out, or at least move it when I paint it, and degrease. Everything needs to be degreased, cleaned. Oh, I got the battery tray out, and I ended up just having to cut it out. But see that one right there, that bolt's still in there. Cut the head of it off, and but I got those two out, and that one I'll probably do something with it. Might even make a little plug to cover that hole. And that hole I might still use to run at least the engine harness to hide it somewhat. Well, slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. Sorry for such a short video. It's been cold, so cold and rainy, and I ended up running with one of my buddies, running some errands, so I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. Just thought I'd at least put a little something up so you guys can see that I am working on it little by little. Like I said, it's gonna be a slow build. I don't have a whole lot of time. trying to do a lot of other things. Also, I know nothing really exciting has been going on with it too much, but hang in there. Eventually I'll get there and we'll see this thing come together. I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Feel free to message me, hit me up, whatever. Even if you just want to bullshit, or you have anything you think I should try to do, or how I'm going to change the video. So go ahead, give me a like, subscribe. Thanks, see you next time, I guess. Oh, I've been wondering, everybody, I always see everyone doing like the hand up to the camera. I was wondering if I should start doing that, like bam. Peace.